Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a product out of stock. So basically, as you can see, there's some product and you can add it to cart or buy it now. Now to change that, you're going to go to online store to themes, and then you're going to click those three dots near your theme and you're going to click edit default theme content. Now on the products right there, you can basically change what it is written. So where it says sold out, you can actually write down out of stock like that. And now you will, of course, need to edit that the product is actually out of stock. So let's make 0, 0, and do the same with the new, like so. Now we go ahead right here and we click refresh, and as you can see, it's now out of stock, and it's now written that it's not only sold out but out of stock. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.